Hey guys, and Apple is all set to launch its first folding phone in September. This right here is the iPhone Fold Ultra metal mock-up. It has got a passport style form factor but with rounded corners on the right and sharp edge on the left. As you can see, speaker and volume keys are on the top. The power key and camera control is on the right side. There's a USB-C port and speaker on the bottom. This main telephoto camera and microphone plus LED flash on the rear. This of course is gonna support MagSafe, so you may see two-tone finish, glass and aluminum. Apple is using liquid metal hinge for higher strength and better durability. The iPhone Ultra is coming in two color finishes, dark blue and white. News coming in from Ming Chi Kuo suggests that the iPhone Fold may go on sale later this year, likely a month after the launch of the iPhone 18 series. So again, announcement at the same time in September, but they'll hit the stores at different times. The iPhone Ultra gets a 5.49-inch 120Hz cover display and a 7.76-inch 120Hz inner flexible screen. So again, it's like a passport style form factor. This Apple A20 Pro Bionic chipset based on 3nm TSMC process, 4883 mAh battery and 12 gigs of RAM. The iPhone Ultra may start from $2,000. That is insane. So this is all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below and make sure to like, share, subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.